Hey Sophia, during online classes, my teacher showed us a very beautiful presentation. The teacher recorded her voice and embedded it in the presentation. Did she use some special software for this? No, Romy. She has done this in PowerPoint 2016 only. Really? It is very interesting. Please tell me how to add images, audio or video in presentation. Okay, Romy. Let us learn about this in the chapter. We have learnt many features of PowerPoint 2016 in the previous classes. It is a graphical and visual application software used for creating presentations. We can create, view and present slideshows that combine text with images, screenshots, animations, charts, audios, videos, etc. Let us learn how to add audio, video files, etc. to enhance the presentation. Inserting images. Adding images to the presentations makes them more interesting and engaging. Pictures and screenshots can be inserted into PowerPoint to help us effectively convey our ideas to the audience. Adding pictures to the presentation is a great way to represent important information. We can insert images from the computer and from Microsoft's large library of images, or can add a screenshot of our own. Once an image is inserted, we can resize and move it to any location in the presentation. There are two ways to insert pictures: this device and online pictures. The steps to insert an image from the computer are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Pictures option in the Images group. A menu with two options appears. Step 3. Click on this device option. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Step 4. Search and select the desired image file from the computer and click on the Open button. The picture will appear in the slide. Similarly, we can use pen drive, camera, mobile, webcam, etc. to save a picture on the computer. Then we can add that picture to our presentation. We can also insert online pictures or those from the internet. The steps to insert online pictures are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Pictures option in the Images group. A menu with two options will appear. Step 3. Click on the Online Pictures option. The Insert Pictures dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 4. Enter the search term in the Bing Image Search text box and click on the Search button. Choose the picture you want to be added from the inbuilt categories. Step 5. Click on the Insert button. The picture will get inserted. Inserting screenshots. One of the interesting features about PowerPoint is that we can insert a screenshot of one of our applications into the presentation without having to use any other program. The steps to insert a screenshot are as follows. Step 1. Go to the Images group on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Screenshot drop-down menu to look at full screen snaps of all the applications running on the computer desktop under the available windows. In Step 3, select one of the screenshots to add it directly to the presentation. Step 4. If we do not want the entire screen and just a portion of it, we can use the Screen Clipping option. Inserting audio files. PowerPoint supports multimedia in the slides. It lets us create slides that contain not only text and pictures, but also sounds. We can add audio or video clips to the slides, which can be played during the presentation. The steps to insert audio file from the computer in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Move to the slide to which the sound has to be added. Click on the media group on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the audio button located on the right side of the tab and then choose Audio on My PC to insert an audio from the computer or hard drive. Step 3. In the Insert Audio dialog box, browse for an audio file and click on the Insert button. Audio file is added to the slide. Step 4. Two additional tabs, Audio Format and Playback, appear under the Audio Tools. The Playback tab has the Audio Options group, which has options to control the play of an audio. We can also record our voice and can embed it in the presentation. The steps to record the voice and then embed it in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Move to the slide to which the sound has to be added. Click on the Media group on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Audio button located on the right side of the tab and then choose Record Audio to record the voice. Step 3. The Record Sound dialog box appears. Click on the Record button and start reading the script. Click on the Stop button when we want to pause recording and click on the Record button to resume recording. We can click on the Play button at any time to play back what we have recorded so far. The dialog box notes how many seconds our recording lasts. Step 4. Click on the OK button in the Record Sound dialog box when we have finished recording. The audio icon appears on the slide to show that the slide is accompanied by an audio file. We can drag the audio icon anywhere on the slide. Clicking on the Play or Pause button will play or pause the audio files. Inserting video files. PowerPoint allows us to insert a video onto a slide and play it during the presentation. This is a great way to make the presentation more engaging for the audience. The steps to insert video file from the computer in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Media group on the Insert tab. Step 2. Select Video as media type and then click on the This device to insert a video from the computer or hard drive. Step 3. In the Insert Video dialog box, browse for a video file and click on the Insert button. Video file is added to the slide. We can insert videos from the internet too. Some websites like YouTube allows us to embed videos into our slides. An embedded video will be hosted on its original website. The video itself would not be added to the file. Embedding can be a convenient way to reduce the file size of our presentation. But we need to be connected to the internet for the video to play. The steps to insert video file from the internet in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Media group on the Insert tab. Step 2. Select Video as media type and then click on the Online Videos to insert a video from the internet. Step 3. The Online Video dialog box will appear. Enter the address of the video and click on the Insert button. The video will get inserted. Step 4. Click on the Play button to play it. Action buttons. The action buttons are some tools that allow us to connect to a web page, file, email address, or slide. These buttons are built-in shapes that we can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform a similar action. When someone clicks or hovers over the button, the selected action will occur. Action buttons can do many of the same things as hyperlinks. Their easy-to-understand style makes them especially useful for self-running presentations. The steps to insert action buttons in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Click on the slide where action buttons are to be inserted. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Shapes option in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu will appear with the action buttons located at the very bottom. Step 3. Select the desired action button. Step 4. Insert the button onto the slide by clicking at the desired location. The Action Settings dialog box will appear. Step 5. Select the Mouse Click or Mouse Over tab. Selecting the Mouse Click tab means the action button will perform its action only when clicked. Selecting the Mouse Over tab will make the action button perform its action when we move the mouse over it. Step 6. Click on the OK button to apply the selected action. Dictionary, audio, anything related to sound in terms of receiving, transmitting, or reproducing or its specific frequency. Video, a recording of moving pictures and sound, especially as a digital file. Action buttons, built-in shapes that we can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform a similar action. Let's refresh. PowerPoint 2016 is a visual and graphical application software primarily used for creating presentations. Adding images enhances the look of the presentation. Screenshots can be added in a presentation. PowerPoint supports multimedia, so audio and video files can be added in the presentation. We can add audio and video files from the computer system as well as from the internet. Action buttons can be inserted in the presentation to link another presentation, file, website, or web page.